Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Leo token, which is short for Leo the Cat. Now this is a brand new meme coin, and this token here is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, February 27th. We're going to go over the information on the Leo coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Leo token. So, it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 27th at exactly 14 hours UTC time. The Leo token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Leo token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search LEO, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So what is Leo? Leo is a meme coin on the Stacks blockchain that represents Moomoo, the founder of Stacks' cat. So the Stacks founder has a real-life cat. I guess the name is Moomoo. I do believe that there's been tokens with that name before, as far as I could remember, but don't quote me on that. It says, no better ticket than the founder's pet, especially since Bitcoin is the real cat chain. I don't know what that means, okay. But yeah, so there's been lots of meme coins named after founders' animals, dogs and cats, and, you know, probably others as well. I definitely know there is Solana founders' pets. I mean, there's endless animal tokens out there, but almost everything, especially Elon too, even Elon's pets. I think Elon's even family's pets, like maybe his mom's dog or something, has her own token too, but there's been many. Anyways, so if you go to their webpage, leothecat.io, there is not much over there. So it just says Leo the Cat, it's short for Leopold. And there's a Buy Leo Now button on the page, and that's going to take you over to a swap application, a decentralized swap application. And we're going to go over that in a second. So you can get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing. If you want to get it in a decentralized way, you're able to do that right now. They also have a Telegram you could follow that has 97 members on it. And it's kind of like just a whole bunch of gobbledygook type of stuff here. You can find the links on their Twitter here. So if you go to @LeoCoinsSTX, it says Leo, Mooneeb's cat, living on the Stacks blockchain, growing STX one cat at a time. And then it says operating stxtools.io. And then it has a link to Stacks' Twitter, which is just this is a different one, @STX. This might just be, I'm not sure which one that is. But anyways, so This Twitter right here just joined in December 2023. Has 3,296 followers, so they're doing pretty well. Almost 300 tweets. Blue verified check mark. So as far as information goes, their webpage is lacking a lot of information, but there is a ton of updates and tweets, almost 300 tweets on here that's going to have lots of information about Leo coin on the Stacks chain. You can find that there. But if you click on that link tree, you'll be able to find their Telegram that I was just talking about is at the top of the page there. Their Twitter, Discord, but then they have their webpage that I just mentioned. And then they have a button. It says buy now on Alex Labs. So that's where you can get this token prior to the listing here on Mexc Global. It also has a link to CoinGecko. It also has their contract address, so you can check out their Stacks Explorer there. It has a link to their LP burn transaction, so you can verify that LP was burned. They also have a contract audit by Bryce.btc. You can check that out. And then they have airdrop transaction link as well. So they have tons of different links on this link tree. But again, scarce information because this is basically just a meme token. So Leo is a meme coin with the purpose of onboarding the next 10,000 members onto the Stacks chain and named after the founder's pet. And that is basically about it. Now, looks like they may have a Reddit too as well. Let me see if this works here. Reddit.com. No, that doesn't work. I don't know why that's on there. But okay, so you can get this token. So you just need a wallet that has the Stacks blockchain enabled on it. So like Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet most likely will work. I'm sure there's Stacks specific wallets as well. And then you would fund your wallet with STX, which is the Stacks coin. And then you would go into Alex Labs. So you can either find the Alex Labs link on their link tree right here or on their webpage, leothecat.io. So you would go through one of those links. You can get to Alex Labs, or you could just search it in the dApps on Trust Wallet or MetaMask Wallet. And then you would trade your Stacks for the Leo token using the contract address that you could find in this link tree right here. Just there's a section that just says contract address. It'll take you where you need to go. Real easy. I'm not sure if you have to set slippage or anything like that. I haven't tried. And yeah, so besides that, check out all their tweets for information. If you want to get involved with the Kickstarter event, that just started too as well. So if you go to Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official, you will see that there is a reward pool of 40,000 USDT up for grabs, which is the equivalent of 7.1 million Leo coins. And then you could get involved with this Kickstarter event. You can vote with MX tokens, which is Mexc Global's token, to win massive airdrops. So go to Mexc Global's Twitter to find out more information about how you can do that. And yeah, you can find on explorer.hyro.so, you can find their Stacks contract address, their Explorer here, and it goes over some information about the Leo token on there. And yeah, that's basically about it. I mean, again, scarce information. You can also find this token, I forgot to mention, on CoinGecko, and right now it's actually up 21.2%. It's doing very well. It says market cap is a little bit over $17.69 million. Fully diluted valuation a little bit over $18.6 million. 24-hour trading volume today is $693,000. Circulating supply 9.5 billion tokens. Total and max supply is 10 billion tokens. And yeah, it has the chart, all the links, all that type of stuff is listed on CoinGecko as well. So check it out there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.